Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a 38,000 mile 1970 Boss 302. We acquired it from the estate of the gentleman that's owned it since 1989. That's 31 years. Very original car, a lot of original qualities. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones come out. Right now, join me for a spin in this Boss 302, and I'll tell you why it's so special. The Boss 302 was for Trans Am racing. It competed against the Z28, which was a 302. They had to keep the cubic inches under 305. So it's a performance-oriented car. It has a competition suspension underneath, original, staggered shocks. Bottom of the car appears to be very original. It has real solid metal, and it's been maintained. I can tell by looking at the shocks, they look brand new. The boots over the ball joints are, kind of fresh looking, so it's been maintained. The bottom of the motor's clean. The 4-speed transmission's real clean. It has a 391 posi rear end, the original rear end in the car. It does have a aftermarket exhaust. It's got Flowmaster mufflers, which you'll hear in a little bit when I start it. But the gas tank, brake lines, all that looks real good. They are disc brakes in the front. I believe the body to be all original. Fenders, all clean metal. Only the Bosses have a folded fender lip here because they had 15-inch wheels. They needed the extra clearance. So you always feel for the folded lip. It has that. Straight, smooth all along the bottom, no rust issues. Bottom of the doors, when you open the door, the lip is nice and dry. I was inside the trunk looking. I don't see any splices or cuts. I believe it's original doors, fenders, and quarter panels. It has a shaker hood, obviously, very desirable option. And then it also has front and rear spoilers, louvers, sport mirrors, so it's really decked out. About as decked out as you can make a Boss 302. I did not get the Marti report yet. We just got the car, so I'll be ordering that, and you can go to our website, and it'll tell you exactly how the car was born. It is a real Boss 302. There's no question about that. Repainted one time. It was painted a long time ago. Standing here, it's perfect. When I got up close and inspected it, there are some flaws, which I'll point out to you. This side looked pretty good. Here's a touch-up right here, touch-up right here. There is some crackling right in here, and they're hairline cracks. Without my glasses on right now, I can't find them, and I'm looking for them. And then on this door, a couple touch-ups and a couple thin cracks, one here, one here. So it has some imperfections. Standing here, again, is beautiful. Don't paint the car. It's great just the way it is. And again, the body is just clean. They're not rust issues. They're not, blisters. Got real clean, all along the bottom and the wheel well lips. 15-inch chrome wheels are beautiful. They're sparkling. They're probably been replaced. Tires we just put on. They're brand new. Haven't even been on the road yet. BF Goodrich tires. All the trim is real nice. The stainless is not beat up. It's straight and clean. Windshield's nice and clear. The door handles, the chrome trim right here is real nice. So the trim front and back's real good. This whole grille, the trim, the bumper, the emblem is mint. Same thing in the back. The bumper, the reverse lights, gas caps, all excellent. It has the proper striping. Now the stripes on the side are actually reflective, so when the light hits them, you might even see it going around in here. Those are reflective striping. The engine is a genuine Boss 302 motor, has the screw and freeze plugs, and it's very proper and authentic. The correct aluminum intake, the correct carburetor with the manual choke inside. the complete shaker assembly right down to the heat riser tube that goes down to the exhaust manifold. It has the correct auto light hoses, spark plug wires, the hose clamps, the shroud, the radiator cap. Everything in here is very authentic. The interior is all original and in really nice shape. Trunk compartment is very clean. I believe it to be original. All the yellow paint, there's no overspray on any of the housings or wires, so it could be the original yellow paint. Again, the tail light housing, marker light housing, they still have stickers and that. They're still original. Has the collapsible space saver tire with the jacks all bolted down properly. That gray felt pad between the spare and the jack is actually correct. I have a feeling the spoiler was added because when they had a spoiler, there should be a rod to hold it up, which I don't see. The interior, like I said, is original. Only the driver's lower cushion, there's splits at the seams. You can leave it original if you really like the patina, or just fix that and you have a really nice interior. Back in here, it's got power brakes. The master cylinder looks new. And again, everything's proper. It has the rev limiter that came on a Boss, fuel pump, coil, washer bottle. All of it is excellent. The batteries, looks like a new battery, and it's bolted down properly. The horns, all the finishes, the correct finishes and everything. Also does have the buck tag right here, which gives a lot of the options and codes and colors in that. I just haven't decoded that yet. I'll wait to get the Marti report. So inside, it's not beat up. The dash pad's mint. Nice dash pad, all the plastic, the original radio, the heater controls, the gauges, all that's really nice. It does have the tachometer in the dash. It has the fold-down sport seat in the back. When you got that, you also got this door actually opened up into the back compartment there. So nothing is beat up. You know, door panels, armrests, kick panels, all that's real nice. It does have pony floor mats. I believe it's the original carpet. I can just tell by the loop and the edges. It just looks original to me after looking at a bunch of them over the years. I'll start it up for you. It has the correct Hurst T-handle shifter. It has owner's manual in the glove box. Headliner, visors are real nice. Remember, this does have a manual choke, which I didn't use. Motor runs real strong. The metal's real nice, no signs of damage. So again, we've got what we believe to be a 38,000 mile, very original car, repainted one time, genuine Boss 302. Check the website and I'll get a Marti report and we'll list all the specifications there. Also on our website, plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll help answer any questions about the car, the process, the paperwork, financing, delivery. We do all that every day, so we can help. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.